Every tool in this stack has a free tier, but most tutorials pick the wrong one for the job. This is the actual decision tree, a complete, local, $0 agentic AI stack, built layer by layer, with the exact tool to reach for at each one. It starts with the user, sending requests from web, mobile, or API. The front-end layer takes that request and routes it to the backend, using Next.js, Streamlit, or Vercel's free tier. So which one? Reach for Streamlit when you want a data app or dashboard in pure Python with zero front-end work. Use Next.js for real production apps that need SEO and full UI control. These aren't stages of one pipeline, they're different stacks for different jobs. Host the Next app free on Vercel, deploy Streamlit on Streamlit Community Cloud or Hugging Face Spaces. Just note that Vercel's free tier is for personal projects only. Next, the Agent Orchestrator, the brain that runs the end-to-end flow, powered by LangGraph or CrewAI. Pick CrewAI when you want a team of role-based agents collaborating with very little code. Choose LangGraph when you need fine-grained control, loops, and complex branching in the flow. At each step, the orchestrator asks a simple question: do we need more knowledge? If yes, we hit the RAG pipeline, pulling from sources like Notion and indexing them into a vector database. For that database, start with ChromaDB. It is embedded and dead simple, perfect for prototypes. Move to Qdrant when you need to scale, filter on metadata, and handle real throughput. The context flows into the local LLM layer, served by Llama with no API bills. Running Llama 3.370B gives you top quality, but it needs a strong GPU and lots of RAM. Mistral Small is fast and light and runs on modest hardware, a great default. Use the big model for the hardest tasks, the small one for speed and cost. The model reaches for tools through the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP is one open standard, so any agent can call any tool or server. Use it to avoid writing custom glue for every API and to swap tools without touching your agent's code. One of those tools is the Code Agent, which writes, debugs, and generates code. Use Claude Code CLI to hand off whole, multi-file tasks autonomously. Reach for Aider when you want Git native pair programming with precise, reviewable diffs. Everything persists to the data layer, conversations and application state. Use SQLite for simple local state, DuckDB for fast analytics over your data, and Supabase when you want a hosted Postgres backend with auth and real-time on a free tier. Wrapping it all is observability, so you can monitor, log, and improve. Phoenix traces and evaluates your LLM calls, spans, tokens, and latency. Prometheus collects system metrics, and Grafana turns them into dashboards. Finally, the deployment layer ships the whole stack anywhere, for free. Use Docker to containerize once and run anywhere, Cloudflare Workers for ultra-low latency edge apps, and Hugging Face Spaces for free MLDMOS. And that's a complete agentic stack you can build on for $0. Here's the whole decision tree on one screen, so pause and screenshot it. Front-end, Streamlit to prototype, Next for production. Orchestration, CrewAI for speed, LangGraph for control. Retrieval, Chroma to start, Qdrant to scale. Model, Mistral Small by default, 70B for the hardest jobs. Tools through MCP, code with Aider or Claude Code, data in SQLite, and ship it all with Docker. 8 layers, every one of them free.